stressed out, Craigie.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look stressed out.
Yeah, I definitely am. Welcome back to Daytime Live. All right, so we have one more game for you guys today. And this game is what we're calling True Confessions.
Cue Usher.
Like the Usher song?
Yeah, cue Usher.
Yeah.
All right, so in this game, follow me now, both of us, so we've written down like 3-4 statements on these pieces of paper in front of us. We have 2 statements that are true, 2 statements that are false about ourselves, okay? And the whole idea is that we're assuming that we don't really know the truths and lies that we have placed on these papers.
Yeah, so to start the game, the first player will read one of their own cards aloud, after which the opponent, aka the other co-host, or Saniq, will have 60 seconds to interrogate me to try and determine whether the statement is true or false.
Okay, so, all right, so when the time is up, the interrogator will guess whether he or she believes the statement to be true or if it's a lie, and call him out on it.
This is gonna be tricky because I can only interrogate somebody if I don't believe it's true. I feel some most of yours is true. I don't see them yet, but I just feel I don't know, sweet, you know.
Wow.
But, all right, you.
All right, choose one. I don't know, I feel nervous. You want me to read it for you? You want me to read it? Let me read it.
I'll read it.
You sure? Okay.
I once had to rush my girlfriend to the hospital in the middle of a sexual encounter in the car.
True.
You're not. you would think so.
I should interrogate you now. Okay. You just sound like something would happen to Craig. You just true. So everybody has say true. Well,
you're supposed to ask me questions.
Okay. Okay. What kind of car was it?
It was a Ford Escort, 1970.
I have no idea what that looks like. But all right, no problem.
Sky blue.
When did this happen?
I was about 22.
22 years old. Okay. Which hospital did you take her to?
University.
So why you have to look up and to the right?
Trying to remember.
Oh, that was right. Okay. All right. No problem. How long did she stay?
In the hospital?
Yes.
Maybe about 45 minutes.
45 minutes. What was the problem that she experienced?
I cannot remember.
You can't remember? Okay. All right. What did the doctor say?
The doctor said that maybe she was in a situation that got her a little too excited.
I see. Did you complete the act?
No.
No? All right.
Well, yes, after.
Me said true.
True.
Thank you very much. Okay. All right. All right. Ready? Ready? My turn. Okay. Wait. Let me see which one.
No. You can't do that.
I can't do that? But am I one of them? So why me can't choose?
True.
Okay. Ready? I stole a car, got caught, but was commended instead of punished.
Which country?
In Jamaica.
Where did you go when you stole the car?
Round and about.
How old were
I
you?
felt like.
How old were you?
I was 13.
13. Was it a parent's car?
It was.
Okay. Did you have any difficulty driving it?
No, I wouldn't say so.
Okay, that's true. Should do it.
You think
hold on.
You have more time. 30 seconds. You know if you play games with people, I know you.
Standard or automatic car?
But no, that's what you asked me. It was an automatic car.
It was an automatic car?
Yes.
Okay. Where you stole it from? Garage?
Under the tree.
Under the tree?
Yes.
Under the wall, never there. It's just open. It's just open. Okay. Did anybody report it stolen?
No.
So police did not get involved?
Police didn't get involved.
Okay.
No.
How far you drive it go?
I can't give you time.
How long it take before you come back?
It done. Time done. True or false?
That's true. You do it, man.
You think I did that?
You thief the car?
Wow.
Think you borrowed the car, yeah.
That's what you think about me?
Yep.
Wow. Him right.
Of course you thief it. We know. That's the problem, you know. You can't do this with me and Sonny. We know each other too long. I mean, no, she's still.
You know, so me tell him true before we continue.
Yeah,
okay. We know each other. Go. Next. Choose quickly. You must have played this with friends. Come Come on, choose. You want me to choose for you?
Yeah, you choose.
Okay, you are going for this one. It says, I was a part of a 15-person fight in a Suriname hotel lobby. Why were you in Suriname?
TOK had a performance in Suriname.
Were the other TOK members involved in this fight?
Not all of them.
Which ones were?
Basie was involved in the fight as well.
Okay, not surprised. When did this happen?
I can't remember the year. Long time. Early stages of the group. We still had a few number ones, but early stages.
Maybe what like caused the fight?
2002. What caused the fight?
Yes.
Them did rush a representative of our booking agent.
Okay.
Agency.
So who were the other 13 people? Okay, you said 15.
Yeah, there were members of the band were involved. 2 people from the booking agency were involved, and the rest was promoter and them friends.
Okay, so where was Alex and Flex? Where were Alex and Flex?
I don't know. I never stopped to find out.
Okay, them never involved in the fight.
Them never involved in the fight.
Okay, who won?
We did.
You and Basie win against the 13 people?
Team TOK win.
Team TOK. How many people in a Team TOK?
About 6.
It's true. True.
That's true.
Me know, because what me didn't know true
That's
before.
True. What is Scarlett? So it was Scarlett. So them rush Scarlett, and then I guess because, you know.
Yes.
She fire Reno, so she chuck the youth,
but
and him chuck her back.
Here the problem.
We couldn't stand up and there.
From me see the word fight, me know it's true.
Me not fight again. Why you make it sound so? Me
From
not really fight.
See, and worse, you say Basie. If you did say Alex or Flex, me would say, oh no, it's not lie. But you say Basie involved, okay.
Me used to fight whole heap back in the days.
I am aware.
But
I am very aware. My turn. You want to choose?
Fight again. Yeah, man.
Choose.
Middle one.
Go. Quick,
Middle one.
Take it. What does it say?
I have a good curry goat dish with steamy white rice. I love a good curry goat dish with steamy white rice. No, man, but this no, man. I want the next one, man.
All right, here.
No, that one. Okay, so during my last visit to Florida, I went on a date with a celebrity. He picked me up in a sleek black limousine. Was it a long black limousine?
Oh, most certainly.
Where him pick you up and put you and carry you?
Okay. He picked me up from my aunt's house and took me to dinner.
To dinner?
Yes.
What did you eat?
I ate salmon.
Salmon?
Yes.
So fish is your preferred dish?
Well, I like salmon.
You like salmon?
Yes.
Okay. What when you say celebrity, what kind of a celebrity? Is it a TV personality, an artist, a musician, or what?
Artist.
It's an artist? Okay. Hip-hop, reggae, dancehall?
More on what you call a pop.
More pop?
Yes.
Okay. Is a white man or a black man?
Yes.
Is a white man? Last now, I don't know none of them. 3, 2, Florida. Which part of Florida?
Time up. True or false? Why?
I just feel so.
Why you feel is a lie?
I just feel so.
What part do you think is a lie?
No, all of it could very possibly be true.
Yes.
But me just feel like a lie.
Me want to know why you feel that way. I feel offended.
No, me just...
Cause him right.
No.
It's a lie.
No particular reason. We just get a vibe like I never true.
Me want to play that game with Nisha again. Me want to play that game with Ricky. No, we know each other too well. I'm done. I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again with you. But yeah, thank you. That was good. Thank you, Danielle. Thank you, Christine.
A holy woman said that, and it turns out not to be true. On that note, we will be wrapping. Please remember, everybody, to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back when we come in.
Tuesday. Yes, whoever is back. But when we come back on Tuesday, the show that is, there will be much more buzz, vibe, and yes, we're going to continue with games every episode. I like it. I like it. Stay safe. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for watching. Mwah!
Curry goat and white rice.